It is getting powered by World Sports Betting. It is good times. CEO does it back in Jangomkolo. The Kali season and tomorrow. It's a brand new season. It's the MTN 8, number 1 versus number 8, number 2 versus number 7, number 3 versus number 6, number 4 versus number 5. Ganjalo. So, Mamelodi Sundowns is number 1. They will play against Richards Bay, assuming that last season Richards Bay was number 8. I was actually very surprised when I was looking at it that actually Richards Bay in the top 8. And that's why Ilan Sundowns on Sunday. And then Polokwane City are playing Orlando Pirates. That means number 2 against number 7 as well. So Polokwane City and Richards Bay bangenile we top 8. Let's look ahead then. Thank you very much for joining us, Junior. Starting Orlando Pirates, it's already sold out. They're saying that Orlando Stadium is sold out against Polokwane City. What's your expectation on that game? First game of the season. Looking forward to seeing Abo Sipombule, even Apolis from Polokwane City will be playing for Orlando Pirates. Where do you even expect him to play? Njengoba Mufukeng as a left, do you put Apolis on the left-hand side as well? Let's talk about that game. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Justice.
Ngibona le uBenedict Sofila
Mr. So-and-so?
Yeah, ulindo Pep ngibulisa ubobuzini
Yes, sir.
Ebafethu kunjani, keep on supporting Diski TV fighting no one try to fix South African football. Brand new season fethu. I'm so excited nami.
Yep.
I look fresh. Vele besinila besifatigue man. Bekune fatigue engqondweni abantu ama. Ziyabuya la.
Yeah, at least last season you were not shooting a reality TV show.
Ngathi yabuya my season.
Season 2.
And ngathi kuzoba ihour.
Can you imagine like when we're shooting these videos and you're also doing a reality TV show? There was something I was shooting at Durban Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. I was in Durban this week, so we are doing kind of things. Lindo I shoot the Giants on TV or Super Sport as well. So it becomes a very difficult season. Yakatala, especially when you're doing this work for 10 months. In between that, and on top of that, you're gonna shoot season 2 of your reality TV show.
Yes, sir. Mina in my life I can't stop thanking mfethu abantu abangunderstand bangikhuluma so yabo mina ngihlale ngibonga abakankiyo mfethu ngibonge nawe ne calling ebakuthema kakunika weza kimi, so I thank you mfethu konke kwenzakalayo, so I'm so humble. Yeah,
do you know the time frame of starting to shoot?
Yeah, we behind the scene uyazi kuyaxoxwa manje.
Okay.
Uyazi then ifuna ibudget ebhayi reality.
Yeah, for sure.
Need lot of budget. But ngayibonga nje uMzansi ukunika season 1 with 14 episodes with a budget as well banginike. Ngoba bangitshela ukuthi I'm a first football player kwenza a reality TV show. So I'm so humble. So I think it's
that's why you bought a BMW.
Mfethu ile spana abantu yabonje basimela
with Porsche. So next time you're going to buy a Porsche for season 2.
Yazi kwenzakalani. Abantu basibona simela kuyahereza.
Sure, there you go.
Akuyaspana ngaphandle kwe reality.
Yeah.
Akusi reality ubought the BMW.
It's a BMW. Yahleka just.
Ubona nje basimela. Mfethu sibonga abantu. Mina ngibonga wena mfethu Seras kuko konke.
Oh yeah, you're also an ambassador of World Sports Betting. In this room you are the only one. So and myself, we are free agent. Justice is a free agent. Justice as a channel. Justify now, it's doing millions of views per month. He's one of the most popular people on the internet as well. Yeah. So yeah, we are superstars. Orlando Pirates, Ozun Apolis as well. That's interesting. Ugutin is no longer going to be orange. It's going to be black and white tomorrow. And then Nosipho Mbule, we're looking forward to seeing him as well.
Yeah, I think Mbule is going to score tomorrow.
What if umqeqeshi shooter akayibambe fitness?
Noma either way,
he's
tremendous under pressure. Bazomtshela bonkosi.
He will be on the bench until I pick up in fitness.
It's going to score. Upale phansi nkuleko. People come go njoba ku sold out. Bafuna ukubona lo mfana.
Yeah, for sure.
A new order bafuna ukubona the Pirates in inclusion yalo mfana. Ukuthi bam include esquadini. The Orlando Pirates itself, abo Tito, abo Mfukeng, now a police.
Sure.
Abantu excited. I mean Pirates exciting team. We can't lie.
Yeah.
But with Mbule inside. So I see Mbule scoring. Ikola kele kuqala kusaso khashas and a rocket with by the pants.
Do you see Polokwane City giving Pirates any problems? Because Orlando is difficult. Even if it was Sundowns going to Orlando, I would still say it's going to be difficult. Even if it was Chiefs going to Orlando, it's difficult. So now imagine Polokwane City. Do you think, what is the plan? You go there, make it difficult, don't concede any goals, or do you go with the mentality of I can get something, it's a cup game?
Even Pyramids, even Al Ahly,
yes,
TP Mazembe going to Orlando.
Yeah.
So
And a credit to Pirates is and well done to support the Orlando Pirates. Joba ngisho when you play brand of football ejabulisa abantu and score goals and ending results consistency. I mfethu asini ke ni Pirates technical team yonke nama players Orlando Pirates. Well assembled team ayikuzoba nzima. Our police is not there. Borlaya kuma counter attacks. I think they can even try to hold Orlando Pirates until penalties. Unfortunately, it's not going to happen. They cannot defend from the first whistle until 90 minutes.
I think last year, Ipulukwana City last season, they were number 8, number 1, Sundowns.
I remember.
And they took Sundowns to extra time. Onyango, I think he got a red card. Njengoba ukhuluma nje, I'm remembering it as well. Their best chance was to take Sundowns Babasagui extra time. It was the day who put him have a phone call.
I remember.
As a pension.
Yeah.
So that was, I can't remember what, I think it must have been Sundowns who won that game in extra time.
Yeah.
So you make a good point that maybe the best chance Polokwane City is to drag the game to penalties, maybe.
Yeah, bona the tendency ukuthi I think they plan very well, especially against these big teams. They don't mean strategic defender without attacking. But last time we called a police mabadlane Sundowns. Yeah, be baphuma ngaye. Ngoba side one we very very function. They don't have players pound to pound who can compete with Orlando Pirates players. They've got the coach Ngengambona who listen to his director. And yabasebenzela iplan yabo for the fact ukuthi baku top 8. They don't mean ngisifene team ebalapha ku top 8 engadlali bhola. A police bancedile labantu abakhona. Udlala indima enkulu is no longer there. They playing against him. Surrounding Orlando Pirates in pitch.
It's going to be a difficult match.
A well-assembled team.
Yeah. What's your score prediction then? We'll move on to the Sundowns game.
Yeah, izokore Polokwane City. I believe me nabazoyikore. Pirates good team. Ngisashona manje bane weak point ukudefenda man. Lento yaba wing back and stuff. Whoever is playing against Orlando Pirates or Sundowns as well, bana this thing a tendency to consider. Lento ama wing back, which is mean ngiyazi modern football it demand leyo nto, but I see Polokwane City scoring, but Pirates are going to score 2 goals. I think the score is going to end 2-1. Yeah.
2-1 Orlando Pirates. Yeah. There you go. WSP.co.za, www.worldsportsbetting.co.za. On Sunday, I think at 6 p.m., it will be Richards Bay against Mamelodi Sundowns. I think they've played a lot of times in the last 2-3 years. And I suppose, without even trying to sound like we're super intelligent, Sundowns are better than Richards Bay. Orlando Pirates are better than Polokwane City. It is maybe on the 90 minutes as the match unfolds, something surprising can happen occasionally. What do you think on Sunday? Sundowns against Richards Bay.
But lana nabantu abadominate ama-awards. Richards Bay. Kune-nervousness. Repero, I told you. There was no way. Play of the season and play of the season. Deserve. Well deserved. So they're playing against a team that is high-profile team. Set the standards. It doesn't happen often. Sometimes you lose the first game compared to Premiership. I think kulaba set the standard volume corner. Richards Bay wenza kube nzima. Yes, I've seen them sign a couple of players, even names nyana ngabonile. Upapa uzamile ukuthi uyalazi papa ibhola. But the team yakhe, I don't think they've got players who can compete against Pirates, against Sundowns. They will try by all means ngazo zonke indlela, but they will never win. I see mina a 3-0 4-0.
4-0 Sundowns.
Yeah, because they're playing against experienced team. But look, final Champions League. Played very well. Go Club World Cup. They never release so many players. They've signed Pasadena. Football go left wing back go Sundowns good points and pound to pound, go player, go position 1, top class. And it's going to be difficult even to stop or repair. Special man motivated as well. Renas as well did very well. Ngibonena Club World Cup. It's going to be difficult. 4-0, 3-0. Yeah, Sundowns going to win that thing.
Oh, you're going to buy you one.
Upapi. Yes, uzamile upapi mfethu credit nokuthi afikise le team. Yalazi ibhola. Because mina ngihlale ngisho the way you are playing determine your coaching career. And upapi the way vele bekadlala ngakhona. Ngiyambona udlala ngama midfielder comfortable akwazi ukuthola labantu abayi3. Ngibonile ba release umuntu ubani
Mtsundana. Mbothuma is left to Pirates as
well.
Yeah. So I don't know how that's going to look because those were their 2 best attackers, I think.
Yeah. It's going to be difficult in fact. So now badlala national team. 3-0, 4-0. It's not going to happen. There's no way they can score against Sundowns as well.
All right, so there you go. Thank you very much to Junior. That's the MTN 8 weekend. Of course, we cannot really squeeze all of these teams in one video. What we normally do, we've been doing that for 6 years, is to just talk about the teams that you're interested in. So you're interested this weekend in Orlando Pirates, one of the biggest teams in the country, a club with a legacy and history. 1937, an iconic club, the first club in 1995 from South Africa to win the African Champions League. And of course, Mamelodi Sundowns, an African giant. Sometimes they're number 1 or number 2 in Africa at any given stage for the last 3, 4, 5 years solidly. 1, 2, 3 in Africa. It's just a matter of just winning the CAF Champions League. So those are the teams we'll be watching this weekend. 3 p.m. tomorrow, Polokwane City, Orlando Pirates. And then at 6 p.m. on Sunday, it will be Mamelodi Sundowns against Richards Bay. It is Itiskitivi Times, World Sports Betting. For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, ama coach for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.